Today we will be take a look on Curve Card, and I'm gonna take you through and show you how the Curve Card does, how to use this card, how to earn money on this card, and of course how to get free £5 in this app. Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof and today I will conduct this training.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
So you can ask me, what is Curve Card? Curve Card is not a bank account, it's a place where you can store your existing credit or debit card and use only this one. You don't need bring with you all cards, it's enough if you bring with you only this one card, this Curve Card. Better, you can use virtual card from Curve app and connect this card to Apple Wallet or Google Pay and use it with your phone or your smart watch. On the next chapters of this video, I will show you how to use this application. And first, what we start is information how to create account on this Curve app. So you can use my referral link, what I put in the description of this video. And of course, you can go to webpage curve.com. Like you see in my desktop at the moment. On the right corner, you will be see this big button, get the app. So when you click on this, you will be redirected to web page where is information to download this Curve app for free. You put here your phone number, and this Curve company sent to your phone link to download application from App Store or Google Store. And of course, you can go to your App Store or Google Store manually and find this Curve application and download it manually, not using this web page. This will be the same working. And of course, I recommend use referral code when you will be creating your account, because when you creating account from a referral code, you get free £5 on your Curve app, and you will be can use it when you will be paid this card. So I think it's worth it when you creating account from referral code. So now let's go to my phone and I show you how this app look. Like you see, I'm on my phone and this is my Curve app and this is account settings. I'm owner of the Curve Blue card. I'm not ordered yet my physical card, but I can make this pushing button or the physical card. We can lock card. So if you lose this card or somebody you stolen this card, you can lock this card, and at the moment you can't pay this card. And of course, you can order a new card if you lose this card. This option is very good when you're traveling and you want pay only place where you are. So you can lock card when you moving between place, and when you go to shop, you can push unlock and start pay your card. When you finish pay, you lock your card. So next you see card details, card number, expire, CVC. So if you want to pay this card in internet and type your card number, this is option for you. So click on this option and copy your card number, CV, and expiration date and paste internet, and you can pay this card. Next is manage your subscription, and here we select what subscription we want to get. We have three options. First option is free subscription, and it's Curve Blue, and it is free card. Next subscription is Curve Black. It's $9.99 per month. Next card is Curve Metal. It's $14.99 per month. We can select two color. Next is card limits, so you can see what limits you use it per day, per month. So you can see there. And if you have some problem, you can report problem. Next is timeline. So like you see, this is timeline what order and what value of this order was. So you can select and see, and of course you see what category is of this payment. You can filter this payment with this middle button from the top corner and select, so you can filter by amount and done. And like you see, it's one order. You can clear, done, and you see all. You can search, so you can search what transaction you are searching, and you can go inside this transaction. You see information, it is from category food and drink. You can change this category. You can add receipt by making photo if you need to add to this to know, because you want receipt to this payment. You can write the note. You can select it is a business purchase. So if you will be use this curve card to business, you can separate it, what you pay for your business, what you pay for your normal payments. And of course it will be easy to find in this app. And below you see transaction features. So here is go back in time, so you can switch this payment between card. So if you paid like me in this case mBank card, and this should be go with another bank account from another card, you can switch this. So you have 19 days to make this, and limit is £5,000. So how to do this? Push button go back in time, and now select which card you want to switch this payment. I have added my Revolut card, so if I push on this Revolut card, this payment from my mBank card will be moved to this Revolut card. Next up is wallet. Here is a place where you add your card. You can add a debit card or your credit card. Like you see in my case, I have two, my mBank and Revolut card. I mostly pay this card for testing this application. So like you see is all my payments what I testing. And how to add new card. Scroll to right side, and like you see is add new card. Push on this. You can scan your card by your camera from your phone, or you can type manually data and add new card. Here is additional card is cash card, and here you get your money if you creating account from a referral link. So if you're creating account from my referral link, on this card you get from Curve company £5, and if you will be paying for something in shop, this application will check if you have enough money in your Curve Cash card. If yes, this application use these points from your card and pay. If not, use your default card. Like you see, I get my £5 when I register from referral link. This £5 is 500 points, and I make a couple of payments in shop, and this Curve card uses my points, my money what I earn in this program. Interesting part is of course your loyalty. You can add here your card, loyalty card, so you don't need bring with you your card for points for Tesco, for IKEA, for Macro, for Decathlon, from another shop where you collect points for orders. You can scan card using this plus button in top right corner, or you can type manually this card, and you only need go to shop, run this app, select what shop you are. For example, in Decathlon, scan card because you show your barcode and collect few points, and that's all. Next option is send. Send is connected with your contacts. And if someone with your friends has a Curve card, you can easily and very fast send for them money. And last thing is insight. It's a very good statistic. You can see where you spend your money, and you have categorized it by top personal spend, top business spend, and top card. So you see how this money are spent. How to get free £5 in Curve app. Like I spoke in the beginning, you need to create your account in Curve app using referral code. You also should see my referral code on display at the moment, and I will be very grateful if you use my referral code, because if you're creating account and you make verification, I get £5 and you get £5. Our cashback in Curve card. So we can back to curve.com webpage and back to cashback, and like you see we have free option, depends what subscription you have. For free you can select free retailers for 19 days. For Curve Black you have free selectors retailers unlimited time. For Metal you have 6 selected retailers on unlimited time, and you of course get 1% cashback for orders from these retailers.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.